Once a Marine 95, is it worth fighting a denial for hearing loss? My private audiologist tested me and recommended hearing aids due to my test results. I hate the Maryland, what is the Maryland something test they use? It's just this
That hasn't been used for
arcane
40 years.
test. If you have hearing loss and your audiologist is willing to go to bat with you, then yeah, I'd fight it. But the test they use is so ridiculous. It's just not really informative of what hearing loss is anymore. So he would have to perform that test on you. What is it called? The Maryland?
I can't remember. It's the Maryland something. But the thing you ought to know is getting a reasonable rating for a hearing loss is probably one of the most difficult things you'll do. They do not, if you're deaf in one ear almost, and you can still hear out of the other, you're probably going to get a 10% rating.